Amidst a heating geopolitical storm, the concept of air warfare is being reshaped, no longer by expensive manned fighter jets, but by a new predator born from the fusion of artificial intelligence, stealth design, and limitless expeditionary capabilities. This is Shield AIS X-BAT, a collaborative combat aircraft CCA that promises to be the biggest quantum leap in air power since the first aircraft landed on an aircraft carrier.
For more than a century, runways have been the lifeblood of air operations. They are vulnerable assets, easy targets, and require massive logistical overhead. The X-BAT eliminates this fundamental vulnerability. With its unique vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capability, the X-BAT can take off and land vertically from anywhere from the deck of a warship in the middle of the ocean, from a modified trailer on a remote jungle trail, or from an outlying island with no military facilities. This VTOL capability, combined with its incredible combat range, changes the strategic landscape. The X-BAT, with a wingspan of 39 feet and a fuselage length of 26 feet, about half the size of an F-35, has a claimed maximum range of over 2,000 nautical miles and can fly up to 50,000 feet. This means it can launch strikes deep into enemy lines, conduct long surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) patrols, and return without ever needing a permanent base. It is the embodiment of ubiquitous air power, a tactical dilemma for adversaries who must protect every inch of their territory. If the X-BAT's body revolutionized mobility, its brain, called the Hivemind, revolutionized combat capabilities. The Hivemind is Shield AIS advanced autonomy software, previously tested in simulated dogfights in manned fighter jets, even outperforming human pilots. On the modern battlefield, enemies don't just use missiles. They use electronic warfare to jam communications and disrupt GPS. This is where the X-BAT's key advantage lies. The Hivemind allows it to operate completely autonomously and resiliently.
Freedom from communication. The X-BAT can penetrate highly contested battle space without requiring constant connection with human operators or satellites. It makes its own tactical decisions. Intelligent teamwork. The X-BAT is designed to work in a swarm with other X-BAT drones or as a loyal wingman accompanying manned aircraft. Its AI enables dynamic collaboration and automated task allocation. OODA loop speed. Its AI system operates at machine speed, enabling the drone to observe, orient, decide, and act OODA loop in milliseconds, far surpassing human capabilities. By leveraging the Hivemind, X-BAT transforms from a remote-controlled robot into an intelligent and survivable autonomous killer. The X-BAT design adopts a Talus-blended wing body optimized to reduce radar signature, providing vital stealth characteristics when penetrating enemy territory. Powered by a proven F-16 class jet engine, the drone is designed to reach supersonic speeds, making it a very fast CC. Despite its compact size, the X-BAT boasts exceptional multi-role capabilities. It is designed to carry weapons in its internal weapons bay, as well as external hardpoints. Its roles include strike missions, electronic warfare, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Strategically, the X-BAT is part of the Pentagon's effort to strengthen air power at a significantly lower cost. With a target production cost of approximately $27 million per unit, a fraction of the cost of a Gen 5 fighter jet, the X-BAT enables the U.S. military to produce attritable drones in significant numbers and deploy them widely, reinforcing the concept of agile combat employment and ensuring future air superiority. The X-BAT is not just about technology, it is a statement. It is a message that the future of combat is in the air, and that future will be flown, led, and won by artificial intelligence that requires no runway for action. It is scheduled to conduct its first VTOL test flight in fall 2026 and achieve full mission capability in 2028, marking the countdown to an era of autonomous air dominance.